On the fourth day, all of us decided to finally climb Teide, which was the Spain's highest summit. Instead of climbing during the day, all of us decided to conquer the volcano during the night. Before the climb, it was decided that there would be 12 of us, and thus we prepped everything and were ready to go face the volcano. It took us roughly an hour to get there, but after we finally reached the destination, we immediately started to climb. At first it was windy and cold, but fortunately once we started moving, it got a bit easier. The very first 2 kilometers were pretty easy because we didn't have to climb the steep hills, but 2 of our climbers did not dress properly for this occasion, so they had to go back down on the challenge. The refugee camp would not let us in to warm up, but we did manage to buy hot drinks. We continued to climb the volcano. It was even windier than before, and was starting to get difficult to breathe. Just before the sunrise, we did spot the summit. And after less than an hour, we made it. Everyone was finally free to sit down and enjoy this unbelievable view. It didn't stop there though. We decided that it would be a good idea to climb down as well. Well, it was definitely something.
Pēdējie vārdi.